It's another beautiful day. Yay! Oh yay! Woohoo!
Oh, what's going on, guys? As we're vlogging here, we're at Cars, Cookies and Coffee. As you guys see, it's almost at the end of the show. That's how good it was, because it was just a little bit of everything. So I'm about to go walk around and show you guys how we do it. The Agua Frescos was here. We're all posting up. We've got a couple cars over here. Oh, this is crazy. You guys can see this is the container yard. We got a couple trucks over here. Man, you guys missed that. I wish I could show you guys like all the back side and everything, but stay tuned.
Hey guys.
Hi.
What are you having here?
Cookies. Snickerdoodles, Nutella, chocolate chip, a little bit of espresso, some vegan.
Yeah.
There's
Like your friends that were going. They got everything. There we go. Yeah. And right here we got some clothing. So what do you have here, bro?
This is my clothing brand, Heritage Group. This is basically all of our, well, not all, some of our apparel here. It's based off of old school race cars, vintage race cars, trying to capture the colors behind the speed. All designs done by me.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So you're into cars?
Yeah, definitely.
How much you selling this?
T-shirts are $35.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What's the name of
The name is Heritage Group.
That's what it is. Okay, that's a brand.
Yeah, you can go to heritagegroup.com and find all of our apparel there.
Awesome. Good luck, bro.
Thank you.
Aww.
That looks good.
Yummy.
Where'd you get this from?
Got a barbecue truck. Barbecue truck down there.
And what do you have here?
We have barbecue, and then we have brisket, and then we have ribs. We already chef. What do we have? Open up the brisket. Open up this brisket. Show what we have.
Yes.
Come on, chef. Show them what you got. Open up the pit. Open up the.
That's a nice big pit. Man.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh, let me look from this side. Oh my.
Tag us.
Hey.
Tag us.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, come here. See the juices?
Who should I tag it to? What should I
Tag it to Hit Boss T. Hit Boss T. Give him a card. Where's my card?
Is that what it is?
Oh,
Right there. Right there. Yeah. Thank you, Jenny. Where's my food now? Where's my food now?
Right here.
Ah, that's mine. Okay.
Perfect.
So what's something like this cost?
Right here, $10.
I'll pay
$10.
Okay, $10. All right. Hey, we got a little girl right here. You like cars? I know you do. You've been looking at the cars. Which is your favorite car? Out of all. Look, there's a lot of cars right there. Which is your favorite? Point it at me. Oh, this one? The red one. This one, huh?
Yeah.
Classic. Are you from Stark?
Huh?
Are you from stock industry?
Yeah. Yes.
Tell me what
I'm with Tony
Tell me
Stark.
about the car, bro.
It's a 1950 Chevy Thriftmaster truck. It's chopped 2 inches from the top. It's fully bagged, body drop. 235 straight six with stackers. VIR tanks, compressors.
Yeah.
And that's what LA is all about. That's
This
what we
is
do.
classic,
Bring
bro.
some swag and a little
Yeah.
old schoolish to the scene. You know, LA, that's what we're known for. Kind of change it around all the time, keeping it fresh and different kind of event. But I was asked to bring the truck, so I did.
So did you load this? Or
Oh, it's all
How-
custom work from 50 chop shops and other people. The pinstriping is from
so how
Jamie.
do you drive this? You lift it up first?
Oh yeah, it has airbags.
Hydraulics?
Airbags.
Airbags.
So it's on air. I can pick it up for you if you want. You're going to record it.
Oh, definitely, bro.
So it's on. It has airbags front and the back. So you just hit the switches and it'll lift. You want to?
All right, here we go.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah,
So it's on full airbags. No hydraulics.
you see the ball?
So it sits on full air. No hydraulics. You know, it's a little different. That's what everybody's taking.
Yeah.
That's what they're doing now. The people want to cut up the
That's
frame.
crazy, man.
Yeah. So you know, it's a little different, but there it is.
Tell me, this is for sale?
No.
If somebody offered you something,
Would
it has to
have
be a really awesome
a
number,
really awesome number because this is actually my third truck.
right? How is it?
I started with the 47. I sold it. It went overseas at SEMA. And then I got a 49 that sold at SEMA overseas.
Man,
this is my
look at this.
50. But this one is the first time I've ever done a rat rod. The other ones were immaculate, all dealer parts. This is a whole different style, and I actually love it. This is probably the best truck I've ever built, among with other people. 50 chop shops and other people built this truck. So for me,
Do you have a tattoo like this?
say again.
Do you have a tattoo like this? Who knows? Alright, bro. Awesome.
Take care. Peace
Good
from
luck,
LA.
okay? Happy Sunday, man. Hey, another classic. Look at how low this is. That's about 2 inch. We've seen a lot. Oh, look at this. Check this out. Just before they left. You guys really into classic cars?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So tell me about the car, bro.
It's a 57 Lotus 11.
Look at this.
It's some original pieces, but a lot of recreation pieces. It's kind of a hot rodded version.
This is for sale.
Nope.
If somebody gives
Well,
you
the right price every
there you go. What would you let it go for?
maybe 50,
50?
something like that.
Man, this is crazy. Everyone's gonna look at you when you wear this. Drive there, bro. see. We gotta go. More cars. Man, I love this car.
How's it going today?
How much would you sell this for?
About 300 grand.
300 grand? Yeah.
But I would never
Man, this
sell
is so classy, man. Classy and classic. Look at this. I haven't seen this car for a while.
Beautiful car, man. Love your car.
Okay.
Yeah.
It matches your outfit.
Yeah.
Hey, tell me about the car, bro. Tell me about
That's a 74 BMW TII, 2002 TII. And stock engine, 5-speed transmission, modified rear end. And that's about it.
This is your one of the collection.
That's the only collection I have.
So this is your baby, huh?
That's my baby.
Would you let this go for some number?
What is it?
Would you let this go for some?
No, I won't.
No? There you go. Have a good one, okay?
You too, take care.